Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this introduction video. video. Today, we have published a package of the couple Eulerian Lagrangian and pure Eulerian analysis in Abaqus. So, click on title or blue sign to review this package here. So, first, an introduction of the CEL and Eulerian analysis in Abaqus, then the key features of the modeling and its capability of the CEL and the Eulerian model, then the application, and then definition of the CEL analysis in Abaqus. You can see here the application, then the comparison between the Eulerian model and the CEL model. Here you can see the differences between two models. Now you can see some figures of the result of the models in the package. These are not all, some of them. For instance, this is the CL model. Here we have CL model, but also here. And for instance, for any models, for instance here, as dam breaking water, impact here, pile penetration, slushing of the storage tank, explosion, slushing, welding under water, explosion, I don't know, bird streak, in the forming process, cold spray, and here this is the pure Eulerian explosion, and here again the slushing and impact, blast, explosive forming, or anything that you need to know here. So we have a lot model here. For instance, this is the atomic bomb explosion with the CL method. And you can see here the advantages of the CL and Eulerian analysis in Abaqus, limitations, or anything that you need to know. And if you are interested in this package, be sure you will learn everything about the CEL and Eulerian modeling in Abaqus, including all the material and methods. The package contains 21 separate models or tutorials. During this 21 models or tutorial, you will learn everything, a step by step, about the CL and Eulerian model in Abaqus. You can see here these are the titles of the models in Abaqus. You can find any titles in the website. If you search here, for instance, here, if you search here, you will find everything. You will find all the tutorials separately here. All these 21 separately if you are interested in one or some of them. The price of this package with 21 tutorial is just 29 euros. You can use a PayPal, Visa, or MasterCard for the payment. If you are interested in this package, contact me at this email here, abaqusfm.com at gmail.com. There, I'll answer your questions, and if you need more information about the content, payment method, or anything, there I will be available to answer them. For now, thank you for your attention.